Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A mid-century modern, contemporary home nestled in a desert landscape, bathed in warm evening light. Hyper-realistic rendering. Large, open patio spaces, featuring a stone pathway lined with small, embedded lights, meandering through drought-tolerant landscaping with agaves, succulents, and cacti. The home's exterior is a mix of light brownish stone and warm wood, with large glass windows showcasing the interior. Warm orange-toned lighting spills out onto the patio, highlighting the architectural detail, creating a dramatic impression. Visible hills and mountains in the background, a light blue-gray sky with hints of orange and purple at twilight. A modern, landscaped courtyard pathway leading to a contemporary home. Hyper-realistic rendering. Stone and dark gray gravel pathways and borders with stepping stones in rich earth tones. A variety of succulents, agave, and low-lying plants in various shades of green, orange, and red/pink. The pathway gradually descends to the home's open-plan living area with large glass sliding doors. Natural stone or stone veneer exterior on the house, with a dark metal roof and frame. Palm trees and other lush greenery surrounding the courtyard. Warm, natural light. Focus on the textural contrast between the smooth stone pathways, the gravel, and the varied succulent foliage. A modern, contemporary, and expansive home exterior, hyper-realistic, landscaped backyard. Large, light gray stone facade with dark brown/black metal accents and large windows. Wooden beams and roofing overhang. A meandering paved pathway leads through a meticulously designed garden. The garden features various textures, including low-maintenance succulents and colorful plants, interspersed with stone and gravel. A stone seating area with fire pit is visible through the pathway. The scene is well lit, with a sunny, clear sky. Deep greens of foliage, earthy tones for rocks and gravel, neutral gray for stone, tan for the paving stones, and shades of orange, red, and pink from the plants. A tranquil, meticulously landscaped garden path, hyper-realistic, leading to a modern, minimalist house. Stepping stones of dark gray slate, laid in a staggered pattern, wind through a bed of light beige/tan gravel. Large, weathered, light gray/tan stones and boulders are strategically placed throughout the garden, creating a natural rock garden aesthetic. The planting includes various succulents, grasses, and shrubs with warm autumnal colors, muted oranges, browns, and golds. The grasses are in varying heights and textures. A low wooden bench, simple and plank style, is positioned near the path. Trees with fall leaves, orange/yellow/brown, and greenery frame the scene in the background. A contemporary, landscaped backyard. Hyper-realistic rendering of a modern home with a textured, gray stone facade and a warm orange, wood-slatted roof overhang. The backyard features a series of raised, dark brown wooden planter boxes filled with succulents, cacti, and colorful pebbles. Large rocks of varying sizes and colors, gray, brown, beige, tan, and light orange, are strategically placed within and around the planters, creating a natural, textured look. A paved walkway of light gray flagstones leads through the garden. Greenery, including shrubs and trees, fills the space around the planters and home. Soft, dappled light, suggestive of late afternoon sun. A modern, inviting backyard oasis. Layered wooden decking and stone steps lead down to a flowing water feature with a cascading waterfall. The water basin is filled with orange and brown stones, creating a warm, earthy color palette. Purple lavender bushes are prominent alongside the water, adding a pop of vibrant color. A wooden planter wall with layered shelves holds various potted plants, adding vertical interest and greenery. The background includes a contemporary home with a dark brown wooden exterior, large windows overlooking the backyard, and a comfortable outdoor seating area featuring modern furniture. A charming log cabin nestled in a lush, autumnal garden, hyper-realistic, impressionistic, rustic, modern log cabin with dark gray/charcoal log siding, dark metal roof, and large windows with black frames. The cabin sits slightly back from a stone pathway that winds through a meticulously landscaped garden bed. The pathway is made of rectangular gray stone pavers and small gravel. The garden is filled with colorful foliage, including vibrant purple and lavender flowers, greenery, colorful wildflowers, elements of a rock garden, with various sized rocks, water features, perhaps a small and calm stream of water. Large pots and urns are scattered throughout, adding earthy textures. A tranquil, meticulously landscaped backyard setting. A meandering path of gray and light brown river stones, lit with warm, amber-colored LED lights, winds through a grassy area. The path is edged by low-lying shrubbery and small plants in various shades of green and muted tones. Larger, irregular rocks and natural boulders are scattered throughout the garden. A modern, wooden structure, possibly a home or pavilion, with dark brown wood features is visible in the background, lit with warm interior light. The structure appears well integrated into the landscape, sitting alongside a shaded area. String lights add a soft glow to the trees and foliage. A modern, luxury home's landscaped backyard, hyper-realistic. Long, low, dark gray stone planter/water feature runs along the length of the home's back facade. The planter contains various grasses, including light tan/gold-colored grasses, small succulents, and a mix of pebbles/rocks in tones of dark gray, brown and black. Water flows gently through channels within the planter, reflecting golden light. The stone facade of the home is a mix of dark gray and light brownish stones. The roofline features dark brown/black beams. Large windows on the back wall of the home offer views of the interior and the garden beyond. A terraced landscape design leading to a modern, light brown stucco home. Large, natural stone steps descend in a series of cascading levels, appearing like rough-hewn stone slabs. Lavender bushes are prominent, interspersed with other colorful flowering plants and greenery, like succulents and other low-lying shrubs. The light-colored rock formations are layered beautifully throughout the garden. A modern, dark gray roofline with large glass windows are visible on the house and blends in with the natural surroundings. Sections of the garden are shaded, dappled with sunlight, while other places receive full sun. The sky is a clear light blue. The overall mood is serene and peaceful. A rustic, charming garden path winds between two log cabins. A wooden split rail fence, detailed with weathered wood, frames the path. The path is covered with a light gray gravel or small stone mulch. Vibrant yellow, orange, and purple wildflowers, including sunflowers, coneflowers, and other garden blooms, are in full bloom along both sides of the path and the fence. The flower beds are full and overflowing with colorful blooms. The log cabins, nestled in a lush green landscape, are made of rustic, dark brown wood with some light wood accents. Windows are visible in the cabins, some lit. A sense of tranquility and warmth pervades the scene. Natural light illuminates the scene. A meticulously landscaped garden path, hyper-realistic, leading to a modern brick house. The path is composed of a natural, flowing bed of various sized white and beige stones, creating a dry creek bed effect. Plants of varying heights and textures are strategically positioned along the path and surrounding areas, including low-lying grasses, shrubs, and flowering plants with hints of blue, purple, and pink blooms. The bright sunlight casts soft shadows, highlighting the texture of the stones and plants. A pergola, seemingly made of wood, is partially visible in the background. A section of modern dark brown wooden decking and chairs are visible on the house side of the path. A meticulously landscaped outdoor space, hyper-realistic in style, showcasing a pathway of gray flagstones, wet from recent rain, leading to a covered pergola. The pergola, constructed from dark, weathered wood beams, supports a lush vine canopy. The pathway is framed by vibrant flower beds in warm autumnal colors, including oranges, yellows, and reds, interspersed with pops of purple and lavender. The background features a contemporary dark gray/black residence with large windows.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.